Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Practice English Hub. Today, you'll practice 100 useful English sentences for work and professional communication. These are the kinds of sentences people use every day in meetings, team conversations, workplace discussions, and business situations. This lesson is perfect if you want to speak English more confidently at work, sound more natural in conversations, improve your listening and speaking skills, communicate clearly with coworkers and clients, build strong professional English habits. The 100 sentences are divided into 10 parts. You'll practice greetings, sharing ideas, asking questions, teamwork, problem solving, leadership, decision-making, and positive communication. Here's how to use this lesson. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat immediately after the speaker. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and natural flow of English. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need clear and confident English. Stay with me until the end, because the sentences become more useful and more advanced as we go. Now, put on your headphones, speak out loud, and let's begin.
Part 1. Warm and friendly greetings.
Hi, everyone. How's it going? Hi, everyone. How's it going? It's great to see you today. It's great to see you today. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for joining us. How has your day been? How has your day been? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the team. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. Shall we get started? Shall we get started? Let's have a great session. Let's have a great session. Part 2. Starting conversations naturally. What are you working on today? What are you working on today? How's your project going? How's your project going? Do you have a few minutes? Do you have a few minutes? I'd like to discuss something. I'd like to discuss something. Can we talk for a moment? Can we talk for a moment? I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'd love to hear your thoughts. That's interesting. That's interesting. Tell me more about it. Tell me more about it. That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea. Let's explore that further. Let's explore that further. Part 3. Sharing ideas with confidence. I have an idea I'd like to share. I have an idea I'd like to share. Here's what I'm thinking. Here's what I'm thinking. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? I'd like your feedback. I'd like your feedback. This might help us move forward. This might help us move forward. We could try another way. We could try another way. There may be a better solution. There may be a better solution. That's a great suggestion. That's a great suggestion. I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. Let's build on that idea. Let's build on that idea. Part 4. Asking smart questions. Could you explain that again? Could you explain that again? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Can you give an example? Can you give an example? Why do you think that happened? Why do you think that happened? What do you suggest? What do you suggest? How should we handle this? How should we handle this? What's the next step? What's the next step? Is there another option? Is there another option? Do you have any suggestions? Do you have any suggestions? What are your thoughts on this? What are your thoughts on this? Part 5. Teamwork and collaboration. Let's work together on this. Let's work together on this. We can solve this as a team. We can solve this as a team. I'll help you with that. I'll help you with that. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your support. Everyone has an important role. Everyone has an important role. Good communication helps us succeed. Good communication helps us succeed. Let's share the workload. Let's share the workload. We make a strong team. We make a strong team. Teamwork makes challenges easier. Teamwork makes challenges easier. Together, we can achieve more. Together, we can achieve more. Part 6. Meetings and professional discussions. Let's begin today's meeting. Let's begin today's meeting. Here's a quick update. Here's a quick update. The project is going well. The project is going well. We've finished the first step. We've finished the first step. Let's review our progress. Let's review our progress. Are there any questions so far? Are there any questions so far? Thank you for the update. Thank you for the update. That's useful information. That's useful information. Let's move on to the next topic. Let's move on to the next topic. This discussion was very helpful. This discussion was very helpful. Part 7. Problem solving under pressure. We need to find a solution. We need to find a solution. Let's find the main cause. Let's find the main cause. What's causing the problem? What's causing the problem? We can work through this. We can work through this. Let's focus on solutions. Let's focus on solutions. I believe we can fix this. I believe we can fix this. Let's stay calm and focused. Let's stay calm and focused. Every challenge helps us learn. Every challenge helps us learn. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. We're making good progress. We're making good progress. Part 8. Leadership and responsibility.
I'll take care of this. I'll take care of this.
Let me handle this situation. Let me handle this situation. I'll make sure it's done. I'll make sure it's done. We need a clear plan. We need a clear plan. Let's focus on the most important tasks. Let's focus on the most important tasks. We should focus on the bigger picture. We should focus on the bigger picture. I'll keep everyone informed. I'll keep everyone informed. Let's stay organized and focused. Let's stay organized and focused. We're moving in the right direction. We're moving in the right direction. Let's keep moving forward. Let's keep moving forward. Part 9. Advanced Workplace English. I think this is the best option. I think this is the best option. I understand your concern. I understand your concern. That's a valid point. That's a valid point. I'd like to add something here. I'd like to add something here. We should think about the future. We should think about the future. There may be some risks. There may be some risks. Let's look at all possible results. Let's look at all possible results. I appreciate your honesty. I appreciate your honesty. Your feedback is very valuable. Your feedback is very valuable. Let's make a smart decision. Let's make a smart decision. Part 10. Powerful Success Mindset. Every successful team faces challenges. Every successful team faces challenges. Growth comes from experience. Growth comes from experience. Small improvements create big results. Small improvements create big results. Let's improve every day. Let's improve every day. Learning never stops. Learning never stops. We can achieve great things together. We can achieve great things together. A positive attitude helps a lot. A positive attitude helps a lot. Stay confident and keep going. Stay confident and keep going. The future looks bright. The future looks bright. Together, we can succeed. Together, we can succeed. Excellent work today. You just practiced 100 useful English sentences for work, meetings, teamwork, problem solving, and everyday communication. Remember, every time you listen and repeat, you're building stronger English skills. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep practicing. A few minutes of practice every day can make a big difference over time. So keep listening, keep shadowing, keep speaking English out loud. The more you practice, the more natural English will feel. Thank you for learning with Practice English Hub today. I hope this lesson helped you feel more confident and more comfortable using English at work. If you enjoyed this practice, don't stop here. Come back tomorrow and continue building your English step by step. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep speaking English every day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next English shadowing practice. Bye for now.